By thoughtfully customizing your robots.txt file, you can guide search engine crawlers more effectively, potentially boosting your site's visibility and performance. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on customizing the robots.txt file for your Shopify store. This file plays a crucial role in directing search engine crawlers, influencing which parts of your site are indexed. By tailoring it, you can enhance your site's SEO performance. Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Accessing your Shopify admin panel. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your online store. Step 2. Navigating to theme code editor. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Online Store, then select Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme displayed. Click on the three dots button next to your active theme and choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Creating the robots.txt.liquid template. In the code editor, locate the Templates directory. Click on Add a new template. From the options provided, select robots.txt and then click Create Template. This action generates a new robots.txt.liquid file, which will override the default robots.txt settings. Step 4. Customizing the robots.txt.liquid file. The newly created template will display default directives. To add a new rule, identify the user agent group you wish to modify. For example, to disallow all crawlers from accessing a specific directory, you can insert a code like this. Ensure you replace your directory with the path you intend to block. After making your desired modifications, click Save to apply the changes. It's essential to verify that your robots.txt file behaves as intended. You can use tools like Google's robots.txt tester to ensure your directives are correctly implemented. Important considerations. Number 1. Caution with edits. Incorrect configurations can inadvertently block search engines from essential parts of your site. Ensure you understand the implications of each directive before making changes. Number 2. Consultation. Recommended. If you're uncertain about editing the robots.txt.liquid file, consider consulting with a Shopify expert or an SEO professional to avoid potential pitfalls. You can contact us at www.maquae.com if you want to help you with SEO or another Shopify-related services. By thoughtfully customizing your robots.txt file, you can guide search engine crawlers more effectively, potentially boosting your site's visibility and performance. Always approach these edits with care to maintain optimal SEO health for your Shopify store. Enjoyed this guide? If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.